What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be working on Nautic's little E92 M3 here. If you guys remember, he picked this up a couple weeks back, and the color of the car right now is like a matte kind of like charcoal gray, but it is a wrap on it. The original color under the wrap is actually going to be black.
Is this color, if you guys really want to know?
Yeah, if you guys want to see the color, it's
this
right
color.
there.
This color.
Basically, it's black.
You can tell,
but the wrap is so shitty and horrible. We want to get this thing off of here and see how the condition of the paint is under it.
Hopefully
because
the original rappers see this video.
Yeah, if the original rapper sees this video, here, look at how he wrapped this. This is for you, right here. This is for you.
That's a scratch in the bumper, by the way.
He literally cut it on the freaking bumper. So hopefully there's no like knife marks or anything like that on there, which there probably will be, but we're gonna try to get this entire car unwrapped today. It's really not that much work. It seems like it's gonna be coming off pretty easily, so hopefully the entire car goes that way. I think we're gonna start off by doing like the front end, maybe the hood, the biggest part, and probably just go from there. Yeah, let's get to work. Let's get this car unwrapped. We'll see how the freaking condition of this paint is. Hopefully we don't get any like paint peels or anything like that.
We shall find out.
But let's get started.
Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
So
what's going on here
now?
now?
When we first saw the car, Todd said it's wrapped. Okay, I said yeah, I know, and he also said expect this. Pointing at the car, he said expect this. So we're expecting it.
So we expected it, and it happened. It took the damn clear coat off, and the whole car is gonna have to get painted. Basically, the whole car is gonna have to get painted.
Yes. Good. Fresh paint job.
It's alright, within a year I'll take over the payments. It'll all be fine, don't worry.
But yeah, honestly, I told him from day one, like, expect the paint to be bad underneath, and it is, so.
This is what happens when you leave.
We're just gonna end up unwrapping the entire, yeah, they left the wrap on for a long time. It's shitty wrap, but yeah, we're gonna have to unwrap the entire car, see how it comes out first, and then get the car painted.
This is what he's been texting. He said, hi there, can you please let me know when you're mailing the plates, the car's license plate, thanks. And I just sent him this picture. This is it. And
so the old owner wanted his custom license plates back. Let's check out the custom
they're
plates.
Not even like anything special.
It says Thirsty M on the custom license plate. He wanted those back, but Nautic went ahead and sent him a picture of this beauty right here. Looks like he's not getting those back.
Man, he's sending me my paint job money back. That's what he's doing.
Yeah, he ain't sending shit back. But we'll see how the rest of the car comes out. Maybe we could save a panel or two and not have to paint the entire damn car. It's probably just gonna end up getting painted completely. So we're gonna go ahead and get this entire car unwrapped and just move on from there. So guys, we got this whole front end already off. We got most of the side off. We still have to do the side skirt and then this pillar piece right here. I mean, the paint on like the quarter panel and the door aren't bad, but we still won't know until we get to like this side quarter panel and then that side door and stuff like that. What do you guys think of this, boys?
Looks like shit.
It's
my favorite color.
H, what do you think?
Perfect paint job. Looks great.
You're substitution.
Yeah.
This is what you get when Stevie Wonder paints your car.
Keller helped on the paint.
Alright, let's get the rest of this shit unwrapped.
scenario did happen.
Well, it could have been worse. I'm so sorry. Could have been a different color.
What difference?
Imagine each panel was a different color.
Yellow, red.
Like those V-dubs.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, we got most of the car all unwrapped. All that's left is a side skirts on both sides, the mirror caps, and then the rear bumper. And a new paint. And a new car! The Helen Keller School of Wrapping is going on here. But yeah, tomorrow we'll get the rest of the car unwrapped and probably taken apart. No, we won't.
That's definitely not happening on Monday. Ain't no one showing up.
It's tomorrow means next week in the video series. They know that by now. Alright guys, we're back. Day 2.
Yep.
We're gonna be tearing this entire car apart. In this video, probably not all today, but we're gonna tear it all apart so we can get the car painted. So we're gonna start off with the rear end, get this rear bumper, get these taillights off, and just go from there. We still have to take the wrap off this rear bumper anyway, so let's get to work. Alright guys, so in that last clip you saw us take off both of the door panels. As you can tell, they're both off. We had to remove the door panels in order to remove these mirrors and the trim that goes under the mirror. There's still a few things that need to get done, like taking off this front bumper right here. I gotta take these little scoop things off from right there as well. These side vents and also the trim that goes all around the windows need to come off as well. Other than that, everything else is basically off of there already. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to work and probably start by taking the front bumper off and then move on from there. Alright, so I got the front bumper off already, sitting right there with the rest of the parts that I got off. I got these hood vents out of there and also these side vents that go on the fenders. They're all sitting right here. So those are all good to go. I can disassemble the bumper later when we're like ready to sand it and stuff like that, so that's not important. I was debating on taking the headlights off, but we're not even going to need to take it off, to be honest. There is a pretty big gap down here where we could just tape it off and just spray. Plus, I don't really want to mess with the alignment on both the headlights. But yeah, other than that, I only got one more thing to remove, or actually two more. I got to take these like top strips off as well, but that's easy. I got to remove this black shadowline trim right here. I don't know how hard or easy it is to take that off, but I'm going to go ahead and try to get that thing off. Alright, I finally got all the trim off from around the windows. It took a little time to figure out how exactly they come out, but once I realized how it comes out, it was pretty easy. I did the other side pretty quickly. This side, I was just trying to figure it out. But yeah, other than that, all the trim is off now. I think that's the last thing I had to do before like sanding the car down and getting it ready for paint. This is honestly probably going to be like a quick process. It's only going to be like a few videos long. We just got to sand down the car, get it prepped up, get it primered up, and then finally get it painted. It's not like it's going to be some special color or anything like that. It's just going to be the same exact color, which is just straight like jet black. It's actually called Schwartz 2. But yeah, after we get the entire car painted, then we're going to do a few mods and maintenance pieces onto the car. Make sure you guys stay tuned for those videos in the future. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Obviously, we weren't planning on making this video. We were hoping that the paint would be good when we took the wrap off, but it wasn't, as you can clearly tell. But that just means it's another project added to the list. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video where we're gonna get this thing sanded down and prepped up, ready for paint. As always, make sure you guys hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Hit that subscribe button. Comment down below what you guys think. Let me know in the comments below if you guys will ever buy a wrapped car. I personally won't after this damn ordeal. But let me know if you guys will ever buy a wrapped car. Honestly, after this, I do not suggest it. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.